Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace dome light guys on Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys, and it should cover years 2012 to 2019. Now you may have a few different configurations and depending on the dome light, but if you have that style, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It may be helpful on the other style as well. Quick introduction guys, where we have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus third generation and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. So check out the link in the description of the video below guys. If you want to save even more money on tools and parts, check it out and you can get them from there for a really good price, fast shipping. Let's start on the dome light removal now. So we already guys removed one of them. Now we're going to remove, okay, you can see one of them is gone. Now we need to remove that one. So how we are going to do that now guys? Okay, we're going to hold the camera, okay, like that. Now right here there is one place where we get the screwdriver in and you need to press down and there is a clip inside guys, but careful not to go over one metal plate. I'm going to explain, okay, what I'm talking about, okay, in just a second guys. So okay, right there you go in and you press in guys, okay, this plate. Now do not go on top of this one because you damage your ceiling guys. Now everything's good, okay, you need to come down, okay, like that, and the light disconnects guys and it comes out. You can see this is your wire. Sometimes you may have to manually disconnect it, but ours came loose pretty easy. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys to any of you trying to do that. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.